VEVOR sent over this metal toolbox and compensated me for this video, but this little metal toolbox is a solid choice if you're looking for something durable and practical. It's compact and 18 inches long with a sturdy steel construction that's really built to handle tough jobs. It has a powder coated finish which gives it extra rust resistance, which is great if you're working in rougher environments. It has a cantilever design and it makes organizing your tools really easy. When you open it up, the 3-tier 5-tray layout fans out, giving you a clear view of everything you have packed inside. The top trays are perfect for smaller tools like wrenches and screwdrivers, while the bottom compartment has plenty of storage for larger gear. You're not going to be digging around trying to find what you need because you can see it all. Security wise, it also has a built-in little hole at the top so you can pop a padlock on it. And speaking of convenience, it's got dual handles that make carrying it around a breeze. Even when it's loaded up, the handles are comfortable and sturdy. Plus, they fold down flat when you're getting your tools, so they're never in the way. Whether you're using it in your garage, a repair shop, in a she shed like me, or hauling it around to job sites, this little toolbox is practical, reliable option that keeps everything organized and easy to grab. It's tough, functional, and just makes life a little bit simpler when you're tackling a project. And I hope this video helps.